Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. This is your girl Saher. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well, inshallah. I am doing well too. Well, it's been a rough last 3 days, but alhamdulillah, I'm doing better right now. We are going to dive right in. Before that, I wanted to ask for you guys to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please, please, please make sure you subscribe. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers this year. So I'm just hoping small, but I am hoping good. So let's get to that. The products that I have to talk about are these two products. So I was actually getting ready to dress up for the videos, and I wanted to film a lot of things today because quite literally this is the second time or the third time I'm filming this year. I have been slacking for certain reasons, but whatever. Getting ready. So before I wanted to get ready, I do follow a certain routine. In that, I've been loving one particular step that I used to quite skip, but now I am pretty much regular, in the sense once in a week or twice in a week I do use this step. Ever since I've been using it, I'm loving it. So I have kept the packaging for you guys. This is the Himalayan natural lip scrub. I hope this is focusing. Please focus. Alright, things might have gone a little blurry, but this is Wow Skin Science Himalayan Rose Natural Lip Scrub. It comes with coconut sugar and it's got 100% pure rose oil, and this is dermatologically tested, priced at 299 rupees. This is how the texture looks like, really beautiful. On the back side you can actually see some sort of petals in it, which I'm really loving. It looks so aesthetic even on your vanity. Really good product, but I will deep dive into it in the next clips. The product that I am talking to you about is Wow's Himalayan Rose Natural Lip Scrub, and I've been using it ever since it got launched, and I really love this. This is so damn beautiful. Like, it smells like real roses, not the fragrance to roses. It smells like exactly जैसे हम लोग बचपन में गुलकंद खाते थे. I don't know what you guys call it, but that it smells just like that, and it's got coconut sugar, so it's a very beautiful smell. And this has got no mineral oils, no silicones, and no beeswax, and it is 99.9% naturally derived ingredients. This is really good to exfoliate your dry chapped lips, and especially जब आप मेकअप ज़्यादा करते हो, लिपस्टिक लगाते हो, तो as it is थोड़ी सी डेड स्किन बिल्डअप हो जाती है, and to remove that is very important because आपके lips बहुत गंदे लगते हैं otherwise, right? And also, if you're applying a lipstick, it doesn't get applied really well, and that's why you have to. For you to get visible results, obviously you have to consistently use it. But any product that you use, I will still recommend for you guys to do a patch test first and then only consistently apply the product. So that is something I will tell you. And yeah, basically this is all that is there. So you guys saw the packaging. Let me show you how it looks like. This is the product, and it takes a little bit of it, and this is how it looks like. It's got a very beautiful pink texture, and the particles on this are so finely milled. They're not like other lip scrubs that I have used, soft ones, so it doesn't hurt your lips or anything as such. So let me just apply on my lips and to see, the particles are so fine, and it smells so divine. अब देख सकते हो कितने छोटे particles हैं. As you see from the video, I am just doing it very gently, going in circular motions, and that's all you got to do for a minute or two, and then you can wipe it off. अच्छे से 1 मिनट इसको स्क्रब कर लिया है. एज यू कैन सी, इट्स नॉट ब्रूज्ड माई लिप्स, एंड ये जो आप देख रहे हो ना, ये शुगर पार्टिकल्स बहुत फाइन है, बहुत ही फाइन है. एंड आई विल टेक जस्ट टेकिंग अ प्लेन टिश्यू पेपर एंड जस्ट गोना remove it gently. I don't know if this is edible or not, but थोड़ा सा मुंह में चला गया and taste लिया हूँ. I know I'm not supposed to eat. By the way, मैंने इस टिश्यू को थोड़ा सा ये कर लिया था गीला. Can you see how pink and nice my lips look like? They look really nice. To follow up with my scrubbing, we have to make sure our lips are hydrated and juicy and plump. So we have a product from the same line. We have Wow's Himalayan Rose natural lip balm with cocoa butter. So this is the second step. Again, smells divine, very similar. Our packaging देखोगे ना, you will just be floored. It's so damn beautiful. Even as it is, if I just keep it in my vanity, on the top of my vanity, it will look so damn pretty. That's how pretty the packaging is. So this is again Himalayan Rose Natural Lip Balm, deep hydration with cocoa butter. Again, it's got 100% pure rose oil, and it's made in India brand, as you know, non-greasy formula, and you get 10 grams worth of product. Now this is priced at 299 rupees again. So this is infused with Himalayan rose oil and shea butter for hydration. So let me just show you in the next clip how this one looks like. And by the way, all of these come with this kind of a spatula, which is written, which on the spatula is written wow. So I dip my finger into it because I will be the only one using it, but you can use this too. But I was so excited to show that I kind of didn't use this, but you do get it in both of them. Alrighty, this is how it looks like. The packaging is pretty similar, but only this one is very sleek in comparison to the scrub. It's from the same line by Wow Skin Science, and I really love the color of the lip balm itself. So pretty, right? It's very beautiful baby pink, and all of the details are mentioned over here as well. Slide it on my lips, and you just need the tiniest of the tiniest quantity. This much is enough to apply on the lips, and it gives you a light flush of pink is what I feel like. This is so reminiscent to a lip balm that I used to use, or something I used to use on the lips, but it's so reminiscent of that. I'm not able to place my finger on it, but anyways, this is how it looks like. It looks really pretty, and this is really good that they've given a wooden spatula, because if in case you have big nails or anything like that, you can definitely use this. So I'm really impressed by it, and I really like it. It keeps my lips hydrated for a long time. I've been enjoying this thoroughly, and you need such a tiny quantity. आपको क्या देख के लग रहा है कि I've used any of the product, but I did use it, and it's not looking that way. Definitely will recommend for you guys to pick these ones up, and they're so affordable, and plus they look so good in your vanity. Look at that, 100% recommended. So do let me know in the comments if you like this video, or if you found these products really worth investing in. I will, see your comments and talk to you there. And if you did, I will leave the link of the products in the description box, so go ahead and purchase them. If I get a coupon code, I will add it somewhere over here. You know the drill. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe.